This is an overview of the Tier 2 resource that we will be using at the teacher tables in particular, and it's called Math in Practice. The one that I'm showing you right now, this is the teaching guide for kindergarten math. One of the things that we're going to make sure we always remember is that we like about this so much is that it is separated by skill. Okay, here they have modules. You do not have to go by the module. Remember, we go by the areas of focus. So you look at the areas of focus for your particular group. Maybe in this particular case, we would see that our module, maybe it is in decomposing numbers, because that is often a struggle that the kids have and probably one that you will see. One thing I am going to note to you is that the pages here are to the left. So you see the module and then the page. So we're going to turn to page 118. And there will be 2 copies for your grade level in each grade level. So make sure that if you do need this, that you'll go ahead and you can borrow one from another class or from another grade level, and maybe you'll just need that particular concept. One of the things that I like about it here is, if we keep going, you'll see here that it tells you exactly what to do, okay? And it also gives you the progression of the way things should go. And it gives you here, like with the 10 frames, there are some common languages that you'll see. One of the things that we really liked about it is that it tells you step by step. You'll see it says, have them put their 2 parts back together. What did you notice? It gives you all the guiding questions. However, it is going to be of import, again, that you know the areas of focus, as well as that you have looked over this beforehand, because there may be additional resources, and those will be through the Heinemann website, which there will be an additional video for. You'll notice here too that it kind of predicts some of the issues. You'll see here it says, rather than telling them, we're asking them questions. Some of the concepts that you're going to learn here, or that you'll go over, will be things that you can use in multiple places. Okay. It even tells you, once you have, maybe you're having them to do a turn and talk conversation, what are the numbers, the parts of the whole? Those are things that are specific words used in the standards, okay? One of the other things that we'll look at here is they have a guide for the teachers. And we'll look again at the front. So here it talks about, sometimes we struggle with, what is it now that they're at the teacher table, they're telling me I can't just do this by standard. What is this supposed to look like? What are my times supposed to look like? How are they supposed to be functioning if they're struggling this way? And so with every teacher guide, it comes with a guide for it, and it also comes with the teacher book itself, so that you guys can actually look at those things. And generating, these are good, again, not just for small group, but some of the concepts are just good concepts for basic, solid math instruction, okay? Retelling the story, restating the problem. This is so important because a lot of times the kids miss the concept, like what is it that they're asking you for, and it's because they don't really understand what they're supposed to be looking for. And so understanding the problem, what is it about? You'll see here it talks about they don't have to, it said they learn how to find the question and underline the sentence, but they don't have to have the comprehension. So working backwards, that concept. Some of these things are ways to deal with those different issues. All right. I hope that this has been a good brief overview, just so you will be aware. Be aware that Mr. Smith will have these. They are going to be barcoded, and that you will be able to pick them up from him. Have a great day.